You machining intelligently? ISCAR's SolidMill EC-H4M-E tool line introduces new corner radius options. In the dynamic world of machining, ISCAR leads innovation with its expanded SolidMill EC-H4M-E tool line, now featuring new corner radius options. This enhancement underscores ISCAR's commitment to versatile and efficient machining solutions. Part of ISCAR's Eco-type family, the EC-H4M-E line boasts advanced features like variable helix and unequal indexing, critical in reducing chatter. This design ensures smoother operations and improved quality in both roughing and finishing processes. The EC-H4M-E tools are renowned for their durability, designed for extended tool life. This reduces the need for frequent replacements, minimizing operational costs and downtime, making them ideal for manufacturers seeking efficiency without sacrificing quality. Introducing new corner radius options. The latest expansion introduces various corner radius options, offering greater flexibility in tool selection. These options broaden the EC-H4M-E line's scope, making it suitable for a wider range of low-cost applications. The new corner radii enables ISCAR to serve industries prioritizing cost-effectiveness, reinforcing the company's position and dedication to meeting diverse customer needs. The expansion of the SolidMill EC-H4M-E line with the new corner radius option highlights ISCAR's innovative and customer-focused approach. ISCAR is well equipped to tackle modern machining challenges, offering solutions tailored to the various needs of the industries they serve.